Hello, welcome. Let's continue our revision on higher GCSE past paper November 2022 paper 1. The fourth term of a different geometric sequence. Difference in this sense because this is a question B of the A, the same question 23. Question 23A also made up of geometric. So this is a different question aside the first one. Is 5 root 2 on 4. The sixth term of this sequence is also 5 root 2 on 8. Given that the terms of this sequence are all positive, we have to work out the first term of this sequence. You must show all your workings. Alright, in this case, let's begin. When we talk of geometric sequence, we know the sequence can be A as the first term, then common ratio multiply the first term to give us the second term. So the third term will be second times the common ratio multiplied by the common ratio by this also be 4, then A exponent 5, right? A exponent 5. So these are the sequence of any geometric sequence. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So they are saying that the fourth term, this, which is A exponent 3, is given to us as 5 root 2 on 4. Do you see that? So this is forming an equation. Then we can also see that the sixth term, which is A exponent 3, is also given as 5 root 2 on 8 as the second equation. Now we can use the two equations, or just say that if I multiply, this is 5, right? This is 5. Since it's the same AA, if I multiply here by R exponent 2, I should be getting what? If I multiply here by R exponent 2, I should be getting this. So I can just multiply this value here by R exponent 2 and equate it to that. I can know that also. But I can just say there are two equations. So let's divide. Equation 2 divided by equation 1. Meaning A divided by A. That will be 1. R exponent 5 divided by R exponent 3 will mean subtracting the exponent. That will give you your R exponent of 2. If you subtract 3 from 5, you get 2. Equals to, we are dividing 5 root 2 on 8 by 5 root 2 on 4. We are dividing equation 2 by equation 1. So this gives you R squared equals to 528 times. There are two fractions that we are dividing. So we can flip the second fraction with the 4 on top, 5 root 2 down. You can see the common factor, 5 root 2 cancelling. This is going to be 4 here, 1. 4 here, 2. So we're having 1 out of 2 equals to R squared. So we need to find the square root of both sides, making your R equals to the root of 1 will be 1. The root of 2 will still remain root 2. So this is the common difference. But that is not what we are looking for. So since we are solving this simultaneously, we can put R back into equation 1 to find the first term we are asked to find. So here we can say put R equals to 1 on root 2 into any of the equation, but preferably what? Equation 1. So this is going to be A into bracket 1 on the root of 2 all to the power 3 equals to 5 root 2 on 4. Let's pick the whole of this as a coefficient. So we divide both sides by that to maintain the A equals to 5 on root 2 divided by 4 all divided by, here we are going to square the 1 to give you 1. You square the root of, this is going to be, that will give you root 8. and root 8 is making use of 4 times 2. So root 4, root 2. Root 4 is a perfect square. That will give you 2 root 2. So this will be replacing the denominator. 2 root what? 2. You get that? Good. So now we are dealing with a fraction divided by a fraction. So 5 on 2 out of 4 times. Let's flip over. If you flip over, you are going to have 2 root 2 divided by 1. This is going up. This is coming down. Is that not it? Good. So what do? We are multiplying. So 2 times 5, 10. Root 2 times root 2 will give you 2 divided by what? 4. This is going to be 20 divided by 4, and that will give you 5. So therefore, the first term is going to be 5. 5 is the first term. So if you multiply that by 1 on root 2, you get a second term, and you can generate the GP in that direction. I'm sure you follow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.